Hi, I'm Rocky Subin. Today the topic which we are discussing is about OCD. OCD means obsessive compulsive disorder. There are many people whom are going through this disorder OCD, and there is a lighter level to much severe level of this OCD. So in OCD, obsession means the repetitive thoughts coming inside a person which is disturbing him. Means the repetitive disturbing thoughts which are coming inside a person is called obsession. And due to this obsession, there will be a compulsion inside the person to do something to avoid the anxiety which is generated through these obsessive thoughts. It is like some people have obsession towards certain things, like somehow the obsession like about clean. So they should such people want everything very much clean and tidy. Even after the thing is very much clean and tidy, still these obsessive thoughts will come inside the person, and they will have some compulsion to do some activities to get rid from the anxiety which is coming from the obsessive thoughts. So it's like even if their hands are very much washed, they feel like there is still some dirt in their hand, and they will go again to the washroom and they will wash their hands many times repetitively. And if using sanitizers, every people nowadays use sanitizer when we are receiving some money, or when we are using our hand for some purpose, then we will use sanitizer after that. But these people, without having any interaction with their hand, still they use the sanitizer to clean their hand again and again. So this happens because the obsessive thoughts which are coming inside them. And some people have different obsession, like some people have the obsession, if they have kept something at a certain place, that thing should be at the place which they have kept. So that thing should not be moved from that place or displaced. If it is displaced, they will be very much disturbed. So before checking this, there will be obsessive thoughts very much coming into that person, that is that displaced, is that thing displaced, is that thing displaced. So there will be a compulsion to go and check whether that thing is displaced or not. And there are different kinds of OCDs, like one of them is hoarding OCD. Hoarding OCD means keeping or gathering all the unwanted junk things with the person, even if the things are not at all needed. It's like some people gathers many books. They go and buy many books and they gathers it with them, but maybe they will not read it, but they will just gather it. And some people gathers lots of dresses and old things, like any antique things, or maybe unwanted things. They gather all those things with them, but they won't use the thing. That means even if the thing is not needed for the purpose of using, but they will just gather all that thing. So this is happening because the person is having hoarding OCD. So this thing OCD is very much disturbing for the person whom are going through, because the obsessive thought which are coming into the person is out of his control. So he is not purposely doing that. The thoughts coming into him is out of his control. And when the thoughts come, there will be anxiety as a result of this thought. And due to this anxiety, the compulsive actions will be done by this person. So it's like at night time, if some person is having OCD, before going to sleep, they will have the compulsion to go and check many things, like going to the kitchen and see if the everything is washed or not, or going to outside and check something, like is everything in the proper place and all. So the people whom are not having OCD will also check these things. So but that is normal. We also just go and check this thing, But the people who are having OCD will do this same activity repetitively again and again and again. So this thing will disturbs them internally, because if they are not going and checking, this obsessive thoughts will create much anxiety inside them. And this thing is in a very lighter level to much severe level. So this severe level OCD will be very much disturbing, because excessive thoughts will be coming in that person, and he will be facing excessive anxiety, and the compulsive activity also will be much high. Through much awareness and therapy, this thing can be get into control. And if the person is through awareness and therapy, if the person is getting rid from this thing, that will make or give the person very much relief. Thank you.